Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I clip in my hair extensions and how I make them secure and hidden all day long with all different kinds of hairstyles. I'm starting off with a detangling brush to make sure my hair is nice and tangle free. It is freshly washed and blow dried, and I'm just going to gather most of my hair up and leave a small section for that first row. The first section is typically a little bit below my ears, and I'm also using a detangling brush to make sure that all the little stray hairs are up, and I'm just going to twist my hair and clip it back. What I see a lot of people do is tease their hair to make sure that the clip-in stays in, but all you really need to do is just add a little bit of texture, which I do with this little crimper, and I find it works just as well, and you don't have to tease your hair. For my first row, I'm starting off with a 3-clip weft. I'm going to gather the hair between 2 fingers, and then I'm just going to clip the hair extension onto that gathered hair. With each clip-in, I make sure that it is only attached to the crimped hair and not to the hair that is sectioned up, and this prevents my head from feeling achy all day. Now I'm going to let all of my hair down and then gather some of it back up for that next row. I typically like to leave about an inch gap between the clip-in rows, so I'm slowly going to keep moving hair up until I'm happy with it. One thing to also keep note of is to make sure that your rows are as straight and clean as possible. So I have about an inch gap now, and I'm going to clip the rest of that hair away and then crimp that section again. Take the time to brush the hair up and also the extra hair into your extension to make sure that there are no strays hanging out, because you don't want to clip those in improperly. Here I'm going to use another 3-clip weft. My natural roots are really dark. I don't really mind if the extension doesn't match them exactly because it's not going to show anyway. As long as the ends match, I'm happy. You can see here that the clip was attached to the section of hair that is pulled up, so I'm definitely going to take the time to re-clip that. And I just keep repeating this step. The next row is going to be a 4-clip weft. One thing you guys might have also noticed is that my hair is not curled, it is straight. It's naturally very straight. I do have the extensions curled. I curled them beforehand. And since my hair is pretty short now, all I do is just curl my hair into the already curled extensions once I'm done. I find that I do a lot less heat damage this way, and my hair still looks super curly and bouncy. The number of rows and clip-ins you use is completely up to you. The placement of the extensions is also completely up to you. I'm going to include how many rows I have and how many clip-ins I have in the description box. I don't typically clip in a ton of hair on the sides because my hair is a little thinner on the sides and I find that it gets a little bit more uncomfortable throughout the day. So if I have a 2-clip weft, then I will use it, but not too close to my face. I have all the clip-ins installed here, so I'm just going to brush my hair out to make sure that it's nice and blended. And I'm going to use a curling iron to just curl a little bit of the top layers into my hair. So what I do is I gather my natural hair and then a little bit of the extension, and I curl that together to make sure that it is blended in. The way that you curl is completely up to you. I like to curl half of my hair one way and the other half the other way. I like how the curls look this way. You can add a little bit of texture spray here if you want to. I didn't really feel the need to. I'm just going to brush it out with my fingers, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I have all of the hot tools that I used as well as the extensions linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!